Hello and welcome to this video on how to make 10,000 in just 30 days with your OnlyFans agency. In this video, I'm going to expose all the secrets that OnlyFans experts sell you in their courses for hundreds of bucks. Because guess what? I have been in such groups and courses and literally I have put together in this tutorial everything I have learned from them. With the only difference, I am sharing this information for free on my channel since I'm literally killing it with my OnlyFans agency, and hopefully I don't have the need to make money by sharing my knowledge. If you still haven't paid 5 to 6 figures on the platform, you are probably missing one of the most immense opportunities there have ever existed in making money online. Even the newest creators manage to make a full living in the platform within their first months, and this is something I have personally seen with my own agency. So let's get right into it. You don't need to write or know anything. I've made this really simple and easy to follow. This is literally a step-by-step tutorial. Set up your profiles. To monetize your content on OnlyFans, you need to create a strong online presence on social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. You'll need to set up a verified OnlyFans profile and 3 TikTok profiles, 1 main Instagram profile, and 3 to 5 slave Instagram profiles. Slave Instagram accounts are secondary profiles that promote your main account by engaging with potential followers and directing them to your main account. TikTok should generate 70% of your traffic, while Instagram should generate the remaining 30%. TikTok is ideal for short form videos and can help you build a large following quickly. You can direct those followers to your OnlyFans page to monetize your audience. Instagram is great for showcasing your content in a visually appealing way and attracting followers who are interested in your niche. Marketing through TikTok. Your whole strategy on TikTok will be based on feeding the algorithm with what already works. You have selected your niche, identify where your model's characteristics or talents, and select the industry she will belong in. It might be fitness, anime, dances, or whatever. After selecting your niche, you have to find out the most successful creators of that niche. Follow at least 20-30 of them and monitor their accounts daily. What do they post and how do they post it? What sounds do they use? We will get more in depth about sounds in one of our next videos in this channel. See what already works and try to do the same without copying, of course. Just get inspiration from other successful creators in your niche and then do things on your own style. In this way, you are algorithm friendly, meaning that you take what people already like and love seeing on the platform and you produce more of it. When TikTok sees that you can keep people watching more and liking more, guess what? It will boost your content. It is important here to mention, of course, that quality also plays, and it is a big part of the whole strategy. TikTok nowadays is an oversaturated platform with millions of creators and tons of competitors. For your content to be competitive, you have to surpass what most people are already doing and do something better. As far as consistency is concerned, 3 videos daily per account would be optimum. After a strong profile warm-up, you can experiment by posting different hours, but usually night hours from 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. work the best. This is usually the time when most people love to relax and watch some TikTok at the end of their day. Then, whatever you do once, you can repeat it 2 to 3 times to different accounts to hit the maximum engagement. Marketing through other platforms. Consider expanding the other social media platforms to diversify your content and reach a wider audience as your following and traffic increases. Trying different platforms such as Reddit dating apps may be a better fit for some models. For Instagram, viral reels using the right hashtags and slave accounts are effective strategies to increase your following and engagement. On Reddit, engage with users in a genuine and authentic way in subreddits that align with your niche. Dating apps require time and effort to build a profile and engage with users, but can be an effective way to reach potential fans. Twitter is a great platform to promote content and expand reach for models with an existing following base. However, building a following on Twitter can be more challenging. Set up your funnel. Let's say that you market well in your content and have managed to approach a good number of people for your OnlyFans. How do you actually convert them into subscribers, and how will you manage to keep them as stable customers? It all lies in creating the perfect funnel. Funnel is user's journey. Let's say that you manage to go viral and people people see you. Now what? How will you make money out of them? This is where the funnel comes into play. The really simple yet efficient funnel for OnlyFans is this. You find a viral video and you do variations of the video to all your accounts. You get views in those accounts that will lead people to your TikTok profile. In your bio, you will have a private IG profile connected for people to get there. In this private profile, people will find your main profile, which will be public, in order for people to get a first taste of your content. In the bio of your main profile, you will have an all my links link directing people to your OnlyFans. Then, if you do a great job at your OnlyFans landing page with engaging captions, bio, and an inviting offer, pulling out your first subs and making money online will be a piece of cake. Identify your messaging strategy. Here's the juicy part. After all the above, you will eventually have subscribers at your OnlyFans profile, and it is time to make the most out of it. What will bring you by far the most money is chatting with subs. Literally, over 80 to 90% of your profits should be from subscribers. For every dollar you make from the subscription, you should make another 5 to 10 from messaging, meaning a ratio of 5 to 1. To achieve that, you have to work with a great messaging strategy, like the one I will be revealing for you below. I'm going to tell you the basic and most important steps that led me to hit astronomical amounts of money within hours of chatting with fans. First, strategy that works should look like a ladder when fans go from cheap purchases to more expensive and extreme purchases. For this to happen, you have to trigger a chat with a fan. This will even if the fan messages you on his own, or if you do mass messaging with a super hot and engaging photo of your model. Then, after some minutes of chatting, and after you already have given the media for free, you go for a small purchase. Something for $14 maximum. Keep in mind that videos are the best, and especially custom videos are the ones that will help you make sales of $99 to $199. So after the low ticket sale, you have to go for a medium ticket sale of $29 to $69. You will decide the price based on how willing your fan seems to be. After that, it is time to go for the big sale, giving out custom video, a sex tape, something premium. You are free to do more than one sales every step before moving to the next one. For example, you can do 2 to 3 low ticket sales before going for the medium ticket one, and also you can send a few free medias, not something special, in between to keep your fan active and excited. That was all for today, guys. If there's anything you would like to discuss about your way to success in making money online, comment section of this video is open to anyone. Here's the news. I'm starting a challenge of helping anyone in this channel build at least a $500 per month side hustle within 30 days. It is totally free, and all you have to do is get the weekly ideas and inspiration I will be sharing with my videos. So feel free to subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching.